welcome to Sparkly Kid, and today I'm gonna be painting on Kawaii Squishies again. So let's go. So these are the Squishies. This one is a clock, and this one is a little turtle. And let's get painting. So for this turtle, when I got the turtle squishy, I thought that there would be so many possibilities for this squishy, and I had so many different ideas for this squishy, and the idea that I settled on was watermelon theme. So I'm gonna paint this turtle watermelon theme. So I'm gonna start by painting this shell of the turtle with green to represent, oh my gosh, sorry, to represent the rind of the watermelon. I'll show you when that's done. So now time to let this green watermelon shell to dry. So while the turtle is drying, I'm gonna move on to this clock squishy. For this one, I'm actually not going to keep this as a clock. I'm actually going to be turning it into a bear just because these things remind me of ears and these remind me of the front limbs. I know this is the shape of the clock, but like I said, I'm not going to keep it as a clock. So I'm going to turn this into a polar bear. And I know that I've already done a polar bear kawaii squishy last time, but with this one, I'm gonna make this one a different look and like a different personality. So I'm gonna start by painting a white base coat on it. I'll show you when it's done. So now I'm gonna let this thing to dry. So now that the shell is green, and it's all dry, you may notice that I didn't paint the edge of the shell. And why did I do that? Well, because I'm gonna start by painting the white part of the watermelon that's above the rind. Here it is. I'll show you when the rest of it is done. So now that the white part on the turtle is done, I'm gonna let it to dry to sort of define the paws a little bit because they were looking a little bit blobby in my opinion. So we gotta define those paws. Okay, now that it's done, I'm gonna move on to the pink, and I'm gonna paint, oh my gosh, I'm gonna paint in some inner ears with the pink. Now that the ears are done, I'm gonna move on to the last bit, which is the face. For the face of this bear, I wanted to do something simple, but also really sweet. So I'm going for dot eyes, and I'll show you when it's done. And now that dot eyes are done, I'm also gonna add like a little nose. Oh, he looks so cute. Now time to let this thing to dry. So now that the white part of the watermelon is done, I'm gonna move on to the very fun part, which is painting the face and the limbs with a pink watermelon color, and it's looking so much better already. I'll show you when it's done. So I'm also gonna paint the bottom of the turtle with the watermelon red color as well. And I'll show you when the rest is done. Now that the whole bottom bottom is painted, I'm gonna let this thing dry. So now that this polar bear is completely dry, the face of it, I'm gonna attach this little keychain strap, and there, it's done. So now that the bottom of the turtle is done, I'm gonna use a lighter green, and I'm gonna start painting in the lines on the turtle. They're supposed to represent the light green lines at the watermelon. So I'm doing this, and I'll show you when the rest of the lines are done. So now that the light green, oh my gosh. Now that the light green lines are done, I'm gonna start painting on the face. So I decided to paint on some sunglasses, and I'll show you when it's done. Now that the shades on the turtle are done, I'm gonna put on a little simple smiley face. I'll show you when the mouth is done. And now it's time to let this thing to dry. So now that the face is all done and dry, I'm gonna attach the little keychain strap, and it's finished. So this is the finished result of my Kawaii Squishies painting. I really like them a lot. I really like how I made the turtle watermelon themed. I think I've done a squishy makeover with a turtle like this. It was on a mango squishy. Hold on, I'm gonna get it. So this was the squishy from the makeover. This turtle was the same thing as this. And which turtle is better? Personally, I like the new one better, but I still like the old turtle. Anyway, I really like how it's wearing the sunglasses, and I like the light green on the shell. That was the right detail. And moving on to this bear, I really like the bear. And I really like how cute and sweet the face is. I think this might be one of my favorite squishies, even though it's quite simple. So this is the squish and the squish. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching Sprightly Kid. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And remember to be cute and creative. Bye.